This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use berberine patches. First, ensure your skin is perfectly clean and dry before application. Choose a smooth, hairless spot, like your abdomen or inner arm, to maximize contact. Gently peel off the backing and press the patch firmly onto your skin for about 10 seconds. This ensures proper adhesion and optimal delivery of the berberine. For optimal results, select areas with good blood flow, such as your abdomen, inner arm, or lower back. It is crucial to rotate the patch location daily to prevent any skin irritation and allow the skin to breathe. Each patch is designed to be worn for 24 hours, providing a consistent release of berberine throughout the day and night. To maximize the effectiveness of your berberine patches, always store unused ones in their original sealed packaging. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve their potency. If you notice any persistent skin irritation or discomfort, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. Remember, never apply berberine patches to broken, irritated, or overly sensitive skin. If you experience any discomfort, redness, or adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately and remove the patch. Always take the time to carefully read and follow the specific instructions provided by the manufacturer for your particular berberine patch product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.